bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too.
Shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they knew what betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Got no kids, tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I look, you can go. Then got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same place I can make them young, come finish you. When you be in charge, yeah, you look like a crew. Real dope boy, 100,000 any people. President's attention, I buy when I see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like Coke on the edge. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm in quick on the basement. I'm straight as a street, man, I'm Coke on the pavement. $1 million, $100, these men gon' go crazy. Wham, bitch on the bed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I look, you can go. Then got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. And living like this, they supposed to have. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I look, you can go. Then got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way. And living like this, they supposed to have.
How can I love somebody else? How can I love somebody else?
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Folk flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the boom. 700 3i5s, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guy. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money.
at the door like we the delivery. He done a plug middleman. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like Sugar Robinson. Shots to the chest, how you gas for hour. Spray em, just like for a breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. Now a nigga on the floor talking to the athlete. Mine I'm so close to the guy and I can steal the stash shit.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon'
Mr. Genius Idiot.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven said, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Arabella hair and I am reviewing this really cool blonde and black highlighted unit. I believe this is like a platinum blonde highlight unit. I really do like this a lot and I was really excited to try this out. So I did something very simple today. I just did a classic bust down middle part with it. I really like how it looks just because I wanted you guys to see the blonde on both sides. At first I was gonna do a flip over, but I didn't just want the blonde to just be like on one side, so that's why I decided to put it in a middle part. But by the way, this is a 13x4 lace front unit, so this is what the edges are looking like. Okay, so you definitely can do a lot with this unit. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the parting space on this one just so you guys can see like how much space you get on the side, because you get a decent amount of space on the side compared to like some of the other units I've had that claim to be 13x4s. Like as you guys can see, the tracks start like back here, so you definitely get a lot in the front and I really like that about it. When it comes to some of these like lace front units, a lot of the companies, they'll claim that it's a 13x4, but it's really like a closure with edges, you know, because what they'll do is they'll have like majority of the parting space in the middle and like barely an inch of lace on the side. But this one actually is more so of a true 13x4 lace frontal unit. So I really like that about it because you can do a lot more with it and you're getting your money's worth. You know, I feel like when they skimp you out on the lace on the sides, you're not really getting the full 13x4 experience, because a lot of the times with those units, you're pretty much stuck with doing like a middle part or a high side part. You can't really do like a side part over here. You can't really get, you know, creative with the frontal area. So I like this unit because you do have a lot more room to be creative and do a lot more with your frontal. So I really like that about it. As far as customizing goes today, I did bleach the knots on this unit and I also plucked the hairline as well. I really enjoyed how full this unit was. Like it's not too thin, it's not too thick, and I really like that about it. However, I'm not sure on the density for this one, but I would say it's just like your standard 150% density or possibly 180% density. As far as the length on this one, this is a 24-inch unit and it does, you know, go down pretty low. I did stand up a moment ago to show you guys where this unit hits on me. For reference, I am 5'2", so I'm definitely on the shorter side, but I do like the length on this unit nonetheless. As far as the color job, I really do like the color job that they did on here. The hair doesn't feel like dry or brittle. It still feels really nice and it looks really good as well. I think they did a really good job with it. Some companies, they don't like the texture. It is like over processed, you know, but for this one the hair is still very healthy, so I really like that about it. I don't have any tangling or shedding going on, so I love that about it as well. And all in all, I think this is a great unit. So this is a nice up close look at this unit so you guys can really get into the colorway, and this is what it's looking like. Like I said, this hair is so soft and still very healthy, even though it's obviously been processed to get this color. Absolutely love it. And this is an up close look at my hairline. It looks really good, and I'm telling you guys, I had to put the Got To Be Glued down because I've really been liking the Ebon Wonder Lace. I went ahead and got a big can of the red one. You guys know I actually reviewed this product like early last year, and I was like on the fence about it. I wasn't really too crazy about it, but now you guys, I actually really like this product, and I feel like it makes my installs look a lot better than they were looking when I was just using the Got To Be Glued. And I just really like how natural it looks, you know? It looks really good. Like, I'm very happy with that. You don't see too much of the line of demarcation that you would normally see if I use my Got To Be Glued, you know, the gel. So I'm definitely back on hairspray when it comes to installing my units. But this isn't hairspray, it's called adhesive spray. I'm just gonna comb my hair back into place. I love how natural it looks. Like, hello. It looks really good. I love it, I love it, I love it. So shout out to Ebony York and shout out to Arabella for this amazing unit, because I think they did a really good job. So yeah, if you guys are interested in checking this unit out, I will have a link down below for you guys, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Arabella Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous highlighted unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.